So, guys, good morning. I believe you can hear me. Listen, my microphone is smooth. Why? Why must it be mute? Hi. I'm not sure it's smooth now. I can be able to speak. I can be able to speak. I'm not sure it's everything is smooth. Those of you that are on Telegram, if you want to see my screen, if you join me on, if you want to see my screen, you can join me on the in the studio, and then you see what I'm sharing with you. Yes, so this morning, you could see what I'm sharing with you, or if you want to see my screen on Telegram, every morning we always discuss about market opportunity in terms of helping potential client, potential high net worth client, potential investors, and busy client, helping them on identifying other opportunities which they can manifest or they can utilize for profit. So this morning we are discussing about how gold hedging and automated trading. So that's exactly what we're discussing. So I'm gonna make it very much brief so you could be able to net. Want to sincerely apologize to you guys because I'm not using my camera. Why I'm on stream. So you must have seen me before. I'm currently at home, so I'm not necessarily in the studio or in the office. So I'm not gonna on my camera for now. But in the future, my subsequent one, I'll promise you I'm gonna on my camera. You can be able to see me. Yeah. So how you guys doing? I'm sure you're having a very wonderful time. All of you had a good weekend. In case you on YouTube, you on LinkedIn, you are on Instagram, please you on you on Telegram, you can be able to um, maybe send me a chat, and I'm monitoring all of them. I'm monitoring all of them. So all of them. So this was what we did last week. We expected we did something on oil last week, and we're expecting about $14,000 profit on oil using two volume lot size. Those of us that are trading with us, I just want to give a recap. So there's a currently oversupply in oil, to be honest. So the price is relatively down. We are expecting OPEC to do something about it, and we're also expecting them to have a production, maybe like production cut or something. We're also expecting demand to surge, and if that should happen, there should be a big cash out on our side because if you are using CFD, you should be able to know that the CFD mm, product or CFD model of business is always good to invest on that particular on CFD or on any stock when the price is very down and exist when the price is very high. So relatively, the price of oil is very much down. In fact, some analysts are also speculating that the prices may go much further down, which is fine. The deeper it goes, the more opportunity for buyers to be able to utilize the opportunity to make more profit. So at the current price now, if the oil is surge to 63 or 64 or $65 per barrel, it will be a very good advantage for all of us to maximize the profit. So when you see every product, it's an opportunity available. We have already created for you guys. So if you want to trade it, we'll be able to teach you how it works. So gold is doing fantastically well. Our analysis on gold has worked since last week till now. It's been working perfectly well. You remember what you did last time? Last week on gold, we told you that we told you guys it's gonna surge. So if you're not making money, you're just making excuses and fear and everything, just keeping you there. So it's up to you. We're not gonna beg you. Yeah. So we're expecting this particular point to surge to above where it came down from, and it's actually surging. The highest price was 4,388, but now it's currently trading at 4,348. So we just having a little bit uh, gap to get to the highest price, and once that point is broken, that means we should expect gold to hit exactly we to hit $5,000 as we expected. So we should expect gold to get to that $5,000 as we expected. Yeah. So the price is actually doing well, and let me give you more information that I think should help you, and that is one of the reasons why organizing this particular we are organizing this particular analysis this morning. We target gold hedging and automated trading. Gold hedging and automated trading. Yeah, gold hedging and automated trading. So it's to let you guys know how you could maximize the use of gold and auto hedge account. I think in case you can hear me, you could just comment from any of the channel where you are coming from. You could just comment, yeah, I can hear you, and stuff like that. It will help me. Yeah. So we've been doing fantastically on gold. We did analysis on gold last time. We're expecting gold. We told you guys early this year that gold is gonna surge to 50%. Some of you acted on it. Some of you also speculated on it. So whether you acted or you speculated, fine. It's up to you. So yeah, all right. You know what? Gold price now. This is the good price. As I speak, it is currently at 63% now, 63.77. This is the current price of gold now. So that is this is the current price of gold now, and this is the overall performance for the year. This is overall performance for the year. It has done 63%. Yeah, it has done 63%. So what this means is that assuming you have invested on gold since maybe this year, you should be able to have up to 63% return by now. Yeah, and okay, so going further, let me now go straight to the point on how you can be able to hedge this kind of asset with gold, and how you can also be able to use it to automate your trade. So the first platform I was using was STP platform. Now the second platform I'm using now is GFT Ava platform. That is second platform I'm using now. So yeah, so this is the homepage. This is where you could build a strategy of trading to allow you properly hedge with gold. This is where you could be able to build that strategy. Some people want to join me. Let me allow you in. I don't know. I don't know why my screen is shaking. Why is it shaking? Is it because the screen is not is a small screen or something? I have two visitors here. Yeah. I'm checking something. I want to know why my screen is shaking. Okay, but it's much clear. Yeah, it's not shaking. I think it's only shaking on my own side. So everything is very much clear. Okay. Um, Perfect. So gold hedging and automated trading. This is how you able to automate and hedge. or this is how you can be able to hedge and automate. So it's a very simple strategy. It's a very simple strategy. This is the current performance of gold, as I told you, and whether you are using any platform is possible, or it is very much good if you could be able to hedge. There are other benefits you need to benefit if you are hedging, because it will help you to protect your capital. You make profit on the both side, and you can also maximize return. Let's say you have $100,000 invested on gold, only, or you are hedging on gold with $100,000 in this year. Only the hedging one you are hedging must have gained 60%, only just for hedging. Let's say you are hedging on gold, you are hedging your CFD position with maybe $1,000. Only the hedging of $1,000 you are hedging must have gained 60%. It's as simple as that, without you trading. Where the one you trade on CFD, it will be there just for you to maximize more return. No, CFD can get faster, can get bigger, but you know that it has more risk than. That's why big companies like to hedge. So hedging helps them to control the risk and build a stable and consistent strategy. Now, good enough, you have advantage, you have access to this type of innovation. You can don't just be overthinking. For the fact that your broker doesn't have it, that's the reason why you need to support. You find that broker that can give you what you want. It's as simple as that. The broker doesn't have everything. Yeah, but if you are comfortable to what he's giving you, fine. Well, not every market is for you, and not every market is for everyone. So they will have both individual, big clients, and also some consent traders who want to maintain stability. They need to adapt to strategy of hedging. When you give them a system, you give them opportunity to make more profit. You give them opportunity to control their risk. Then you give them opportunity to to stabilize in the market. It's different from those who want to get rich quick. So those who don't want to hedge. So I want to advise them to hedge because they want to like flip if $100 account or unnecessary or unimaginable amount of money. They want to flip $100 account or unimaginable amount of money. So those ones does not need any type of risk control. But their risk exposure is high, they just want to make more money or they lose all. But if you want to maintain stability, hedging is required. Uh, that is required that you use hedging. You know what I mean? Yeah. So now I'm considering the automated trading. You can be able to maximize the potential of automation using hybrid and automation, and since that you could be able to be swapping your account from manual to automation, or you can concentrate 100% on automation. Then you could be able to also use a multi-account execution platform. Many advanced brokers are using it. Many advanced like this company now, they are actually using multi-account execution where you can connect your account to multi-execution platform, make execution immediately. That you can choose any broker you want available for this platform for hedging. Any broker available. So you can select from the list of the verified regulated brokers that matches your trading need and the preference. Then you set up your account, then you connect and verify, then you start trading or cannot you start hedging. So somebody may ask, how do I hedge? Let's say you have an account of $10,000 or $100,000 or $1,000. Hedging can help you to reduce the risk and the exposure. So instead of you to put all your eggs in one basket, so you can be able to hedge some part of your money on gold, and that alone will give you access to a proper risk management aside stop loss with the stop loss parameter we regularly have on MT5. You can be able to hedge part of your account. Good. Then you may decide that okay, I want to put like 40%, which is like $4,000 on gold hedging. Then I use 60% on for my trading. Or you can say I want to put like 30% on gold hedging, then use the remaining 70% for my trading. So your trading account will still remain with with your broker, the broker you're using. It will still remain with them where you're actively hedging. So let me quickly show you how the interface works so that you can be able to see how the trading account will be connected, and you'll be able to utilize other options. So now, let me show you. Yeah. So let me go back to what I was sharing before. So this was what I was sharing with you guys before here. So now, when you come here, you can see that the current performance of gold, the total performance, gold is currently trading at 4,344.40, and it has done about 63% this year, like I said. So let's say you have about $3,000, $1,000 invested on gold this year. That means you must have made 63% return. As I've said it before, you have about $10,000 invested on gold this year, you must have made about 63% return. You have about $100,000 invested on gold, you must have made about 63% return, which is about $63,000 return. If you have about $1 million invested on gold this year, you must have made about 63%, which is about 60, what is 63%? Yeah, which is about almost half of your money. Yeah, that's $1 million, 63%, which is about 600 something $1,000. Yeah, yeah, that's more than half of your money. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, just invested on gold. Yeah, yeah. So today it has done 1.1%, which has added a little bit profit on it as of today. Now this is the interface for the gold hedging. Then so you could see the total quantity of gold you are holding. You can see the value of it in dollar. Then you can see the current value of it. Then you can see the profit. Assuming that is a loss, you could also see maybe it has lost. It has lost. Like this one has gained 6.3%, 6.9% rather, or 94%. And then now, then you could see a total portfolio, total cumulative. Then you see your trading account. This one now, it will not be a fund linked to your MT5 or WebTrader account. You see, so if your broker is using MT5, it will be linked. If your broker is using WebTrader, no matter the whatever, then it will be linked there. Then it can be on this platform and be able to see their performances on your brokerage account and everything. Then it can be able to swap different. Like maybe you have made so much profit on your gold, you want to move it to the trading account, you can move it. Or you have made so much profit on a trading account, you want to hedge some of them on gold, then you can hedge, and you can easily liquidate your gold, liquidate by moving it to a trading account or something. For example, now if I click on liquidate, I can say liquidate, then I will choose maybe the amount of gold I want. Let's say I want to liquidate about uh, this value, that's 5,000 something value of gold. This is the charges. Then I can move it to my trading account. See, move to trading account. Then I send it. Yeah, I send it. Then I can't. The system process it and send me the money to my account as soon as possible. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So then, I mean, they will not send the money to my trading account. Assuming I want to liquidate it to my bank, then I can liquidate to my bank. So this is how the gold hedging portal works and why everyone need to use it. Everyone need to use it. So you may be asking me, how do I join? How can I connect my account? Look at the link within this video. You'll be able to see it. You click on those link and connect and be able to um, finish all your verification and start hedging your account. Then you could choose to trade manually, you could choose to trade automatically. So we in our trading school, we give you the best analysis that you will need, best structure, best strategy, best education. So if you're a manual trader, you will need it. You need those training to be able to, or you need this analysis to be able to trade. If you're not able to analyze properly or identify potential opportunities, then you can be able to like utilize those options. Why is it like that? Because we have higher success rate on our analysis when we analyze and we post. You just have to pick them and trade them, then I make profit. Then if you're a busy professional, you could be able to utilize the concept of automation and be able to automate your trade and make the money while you have more time to do other things for yourself. So do you understand? Yeah. So guys, let me know if you have a question. If you have a question, please drop it on the comment section. I'll be free and available to answer all your questions. Yeah, I'll be free and available to answer all your questions. Let me know if you have a question, guys. Any question? Yeah, someone say, yeah, you could start with it just depend on you. Uh, so you could start with so somebody say, I'm sorry, I'm just coming. Yeah, you could start. Can someone connect to only automated without hedging? Yeah, yeah, you can connect to only automated without hedging. Yeah, you can connect to only automated without hedging. Hedging is for you to control your risk. Yeah, but so if you don't want to control the risk, fine. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So if you don't want to control if you don't want to hedge, then you could just like um okay, what's the minimum? It depends on you, on your minimum amount. Some brokers can accept like $100, but they cannot hedge $100 with gold. You can put $100, $10, $20. You know, just depend on you. Uh, do you understand? So it's all depend on you. So minimum cannot does not equal to success. So for you to succeed in trading, you need to have a plan, a proper plan. Mm. So if you go on brokerage minimum, it does not mean that those minimum are what make you successful. Some broker even charge you $5 to start. I saw one broker that charged you $1. So it just depends on you. That's $1 to deposit. Yeah. So, but if you want to hedge, maybe hedge is for account that is big, so that you can be able to like diversify your portfolio properly on risk and also make more money. And you can make more money. Do you understand? So planning helps you to succeed quick in trading than when you don't have any plan or you speculate on your plan. If you speculate on your plan, you succeed. Speculate on your plan means you know that you're gonna make something good out of what you're doing. Said, okay, let me start with this one first. Let me put something that is supposed to be successful, is supposed to do it perfectly, professionally well with maybe $1,000. And that's okay. Let me use $10 to do it first. If I succeed on $10, then I now go professional. It does not make it doesn't work like that all the time. But so it's always good you have a proper planning, a proper structure before you start. Why most brokers put minimum low? Two reasons. One, to give you easy entry. Two, to make more money. It's not necessary for you. to make more money. Let's say a broker is telling you to start trading with $5, and that broker is on internet. And remember, they have millions of users. So $5, any broker can afford $5. So imagine if 500,000 deposit for $5 in a month, and that broker has like 5 million users, and they put for $5 times 500,000. So kind of that's a lot of money. These are the logic behind those minimum you're seeing. It's not that they're designing for you; they're designing for their own profit. $5. Let me calculate it. $5 times 500. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that is $2.5 million income from different people. Yeah, yeah. Someone asked another question. Can someone connect? Yeah, okay. I've answered that question. Yeah. So let me know, guys, if you have more question. Oh, okay. Let me check my. Okay. There's a more question. Up connection. Okay, I think I've answered that question. And so I think I've answered all your question now. We're at work now. I want to fully go back to the work for the day. And so remember those analysis we did on oil and the one we did on gold and every other thing that you need. And if you want to sign up, just check us up on the link available and able to sign up as soon as possible and catch up with the trend. I wish you guys all the best as you continue your business of the week. So today is Monday. Let's start the Monday in a strong light and get something out of it. You know what I mean? So let's start the Monday on a strong light and get something out of it. So see you guys and do have